Good morning to you all. Today I wish to discuss negativity and negative thoughts among students. I have seen some students saying that I can't do this work. Some says that I can't do mathematics. Some says that I can't read English. Some says that I can't get success. Some says that I can't pass this examination. Some says that I can't score such marks in these exams. These statements are common among students. Today I wish to discuss negativity and negative thoughts and the method to reduce negativity and negative thoughts for such students. Those are full of negativity and full of negative thoughts. Please see this video up to the last to know the methods how you may reduce your negativity and negative thoughts. Reducing negative thoughts or negativity in students involve a multi-phased approach that addresses both the internal mindset and the external influences. Here are the detailed strategies that can help to reduce negativity and negative thoughts. First is mindfulness and meditation. Teach students to focus on the present moment. Mindfulness exercises can help students to become more aware of their thoughts and feelings without judgment. Regular meditation practices can help to calm the mind, to reduce the stress, and to improve emotional regulation. Second is cognitive behavioral techniques. Encourage students to recognize and write down their negative thoughts. Teach them to question the validity of these thoughts. Are they based on the fact or they are based upon assumptions? Help students to reframe negative thoughts into positive or neutral ones. For example, instead of thinking I am terrible at math, they could think math is challenging but I can improve with practice. Third, positive affirmation. Encourage students to start their day with the positive affirmations. Statements like I may do this work, I am capable, I am enough, or I can overcome challenges can set a positive tones for the day. Create affirmations card for students to carry with them and to refer to throughout the day. Fourth, gratitude practice. Encourage students to keep a gratitude journal, writing down a few things they are thankful for each day. Have students to write letters of gratitude to the pupils who have positively impacted their lives. Fifth, physical activity. Regular physical activity can significantly reduce stress and improve mood. Encourage participation in sports, dance, yoga, or even regular walk. Incorporate short movements break during long period of study or class to keep energy level up and mind fresh. 6. Healthy lifestyles. Educate students about the importance of a balanced diet. Nutrient-rich food can improve mood and cognitive function. Emphasize the importance of adequate sleep. Establishing a regular sleep schedule can enhance overall well-being and academic performance. Seventh is social support and connection. Create opportunities for peer mentoring and support group. Students can benefit from sharing experience and advice. Ensure that students are aware of and have access to counseling services. Professional support can provide them with coping strategies and a safe space to express their feelings. 8. Time management and organizational skill. Teach students to plan their schedule and prioritize tasks. This can reduce the feeling of being overwhelmed. Breaking larger tasks into manageable steps can make them seem less daunting. 9. Creative outlets. Encourage students to engage in creative activities like drawing, painting, playing an instrument, or writing. These activities can therapeutic and provide a positive outlet for emotions. Regular journaling can help students process their thoughts and emotions, leading to a greater self awareness and clarity. 10. Positive environment. Foster a positive and inclusive classroom environmental where students feel safe and respected. Teachers and school staff should model positive behavior and attitude as students often emulate adults they look up to. 11. Goal setting. Help students to set the achievable short-term goals to build up confidence and a sense of accomplishment. Encourage them to envision their future and to set long-term goals, providing motivation and direction. 12. Relaxation techniques. Teach students deep breathing techniques to manage stress and anxiety. Guide them through exercises that involve tensing and then relaxing different muscles group. 13. Limiting negative influences. Encourage students to be mindful of their media consumptions. Limiting exposure to negative news and social media can reduce feeling of negativity. Surround students with positive influences, whether through inspirational posters, quotes, or positive peer group. Fourth is professional help. If negative thought persists, it may be beneficial for students to talk to a therapist or a counselor for more specialized support. By implementing these strategies, students can develop healthier thoughts pattern, improve their emotional resilience, and create a more positive outlets on their academic and personal life. Please go through this whole video so that you may know how you may reduce negative thoughts and negativity, and how you may move towards the positive thoughts and positivity. This video may be helpful for some students those are full of negativity and full of negative thoughts. Please go through this video. For more motivational videos, please subscribe my channel and go through the different videos. Those may help students for motivational and other inspirational activities. Please be with us and subscribe my channel. I wish you all the best. Thanks.